we wanted to understand more about the science behind this new drug. Some call it a game changer, some say maybe it's too early. How this might indeed end up helping the world, I turn to Piedmont Health's COVID Task Force Director, Dr. Jayne Morgan.
Dr. Morgan, we know now that it's official with the emergency use authorization request. We know that the trials were highly effective for this drug. What is it doing inside of our bodies?
Right. So this drug introduces errors into the genetic code of the virus itself and therefore interrupts replication of this virus right there at the source.
And it goes beyond just COVID viruses, correct?
It does go beyond COVID virus. It includes other viruses as well. And so we're hopeful that this actually might be helpful in some other common viruses like the flu.
Is this a technology, if you will, a breakthrough, first of its kind? In other words, have we employed this kind of science before?
So we certainly have antiviral agents. We have protease inhibitors and polymerase inhibitors that we use for HIV and hepatitis. But we are beginning to see this shift as we look into this different types of antiviral agents and what that really means in the fight for antivirals.
Once this is authorized, is this a game changer for the pandemic overall?
I still don't really see this as a game changer. I see this as an important tool for us to utilize after patients are infected, but we preferably would like to prevent infection and try to make certain that people are vaccinated. You don't want to get sick. You don't want to have this virus invade you. But if that does happen, we do hopefully have this pill coming soon. It was submitted to the FDA today for emergency use authorization.
Would you anticipate that somewhere down the road, this would be available for children as well, or at least adolescents?
Absolutely. We're starting in adults, just as you've seen the vaccine process. People have started to develop a lot of education about this. So we start in the adults, and then we start to bridge down into younger and younger and younger populations. But currently, this emergency use authorization for those 750 or so people in this phase 3 trial will be for adults.
It will be a prescription. And Dr. Jayne Morgan, Executive Director of Piedmont's COVID Task Force, thanks for your time and insight.
Thanks, Justin. My pleasure.